Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar. Gatie here. Yes, he's been here many times before, so if you love Gatie, consider subscribe to this channel and learn his songs. He has his DNA when he makes songs there, I love that, and this one is not an exception from that rule. He has this melody going on here. And you can also combine that with a strumming pattern, and we have these chords the same going around and around, so let's dive into this one, trying, okay? No need for any capo here, and we have 4 chords to handle. So let's dive into them first. We have the F major 7, that is 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st on B, and open E. Then we have this D chord version of it, so that will be open D, sorry for the bad sound there, open D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And the next is based upon a G minor-ish chord here. That will be 3rd on the E string, then I mute the next string here. You can have that open. I don't know if that is fully correct there, but I usually mute here when I go and reach out to this 3rd E here this way when it comes to the G chord. Anyway, mute a string and then open D, 3rd G, 3rd B, and this a little bit different here, 1st E, all right? And then we have a standard C chord here in the end, so that will be 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. So F major, D, G minor-ish, and then C. All right, let's take a look at the notes here. We'll start with the F major. It sounds like this. You play that for 2 rounds. So 3rd on D, 2nd G, back to 3rd on G, sorry D, and then open E. So 3rd D, 2nd G, 3rd D, open E for 2 rounds like this. Okay, then we have the D-based chord here. Now we have to hold a completely different grip. It looks like this. Okay, for 2 rounds. So 5th on A, 3rd on D, back to 5th on A, and 5th on G. And I hold it like this. My middle finger on the 5th A, index on 3rd D, and my ring finger on the 5th G. So 2 rounds of like that. And then we have the G minor part there. What you can do is to just go from this D minor and move down 1 string and reach out a little extra there on the B string. That gives us 5th on D. I use the same fingers there, the middle finger on this one, and then 3rd on G, same finger there, the index. And then I use my little pinky. You can use your ring finger again if you wish on the 6th B string. So 5D, 3G, and 6B. And it goes for 2 rounds. So 5th D, 3rd G, back to 5th D, and then 6B. And then we go to the C. You can hold the chord as it is and play for 2 rounds. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, back to third on A, and then first B. So that is one round: F major, D, G, and C, like this. And you continue like that. Or you can combine this with a strumming pattern. So let's go back to the F major 7, that's the first chord, and one string around will sound like this. Alright, so that is down, down, up, clap, down. Alright, so a couple rounds of it. Alright, so you're gonna play again 2 string rounds per chord here, in the same way we played melody, 2 rounds of it. So with this chord progression, 2 rounds of strumming will sound. So that is Gatie trying. Yeah, give it a try, why not? And subscribe to me if you haven't yet. Just perhaps leave a like on this tutorial if you did. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Till then, play tuned.